In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently log into Zoho CRM using Chrome and expertly navigate its features to streamline your lead management. Let's dive in and simplify this entire process step by step. First things first, open up your Chrome browser. It's always a good idea to keep it updated to the latest version to ensure compatibility and smooth performance with Zoho CRM. Once you've got Chrome open, head over to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your credentials, which typically include your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your mobile device ready to complete the login process. This extra layer of security is crucial for protecting sensitive business data. Now that you're logged in, let's turn our attention to the Leads module. You'll find the module conveniently located in the main navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Navigating here directs you to a centralized location where you can manage all your existing leads. It's essential to keep this area organized as it serves as the command center for your lead management activities. Once you're in the leads section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This tool is invaluable for quickly finding specific leads. Simply type in relevant keywords or details related to the lead you're searching for, like their name, company, or any associated tags. The search feature is designed to help you cut through the clutter and focus on the most pertinent information swiftly. For a more detailed filtering approach, Zoho provides advanced filtering options. Click on the filter icon next to the search bar and you'll unlock a broader range of criteria to refine your list. This can include criteria such as lead status, location, industry, or any custom fields you've created. Using these filters effectively can help you tailor your list to fit very specific strategies or campaigns, providing a more personalized approach to lead management. Once you've tailored your search and filters to perfection, you might want to save these settings for easy access later on. To do this, simply look for the option to save your search. Give it a unique and descriptive name so that you can quickly identify it next time. This feature is incredibly helpful for maintaining consistency in your CRM practices, ensuring you won't need to set up the same filters repeatedly in the future. And there you have it, a streamlined workflow for logging into Zoho CRM, navigating to your leads, searching effectively, applying filters, and saving those searches. Remember, keeping organized and utilizing these efficient tools not only saves time but also empowers you to manage your leads more strategically. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on mastering your CRM tools.